Bonjour à tous and welcome to another deep dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today we're exploring a phone that's as tough as it gets without breaking the bank, the Cubot King Kong AX. If you're in the market for a rugged phone with impressive specs, you might want to listen closely. All the links you need are in the video description below, so make sure to check them out after the video. Let's start with what you get right out of the box. The Cubot King Kong AX comes with the phone itself, a 33W charger, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a pre-applied glass screen protector. It's clear right from the unboxing that this phone is built to handle whatever life throws at it. In terms of size and weight, it stands at 80.9 x 172 x 12.7 mm. It's designed to be durable, yet it still manages to keep a handleable size and weight. Now, the display is where things start to get interesting. It boasts a 6.58-inch IPS FHD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you're getting a smooth and vibrant viewing experience, whether you're scrolling through your feed or watching videos. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the 32MP front camera, ensuring your selfie game is strong. On the back, it's equipped with a triple camera setup, a 100MP PDAF primary sensor, a 24MP night vision camera, and a 5MP macro camera. Whether you're capturing landscapes or intricate details, this phone has you covered. On the left side, you have the flexibility of using 2 nano SIMs or a SIM plus a micro SD card, along with a quick access button. The right side houses the volume controls and a power button that doubles as a Touch ID sensor, adding an extra layer of security. The bottom of the phone is where you'll find the USB-C port, while the top remains sleek and uninterrupted. The rear is not only home to the impressive camera setup but also features the speaker, ensuring your audio experience is as rugged as the phone itself. Under the hood, this device is powered by a CPU that scores 404,152 points on Antutu thanks to the G99 chipset. This is complemented by a hefty 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, expandable via microSD. Not to mention, it also boasts an additional virtual memory of 12GB, totaling a whopping 24GB of RAM. For gamers, the hardware specs translate to a smooth, lag-free experience on the latest games. The Cubot King Kong AX runs on Android 14, ensuring you have the latest features and security updates. Connectivity is robust, with Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, NFC, and comprehensive GPS support, including AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo. However, note that it lacks an analog radio. The phone's durability is certified by IP68 and IP69 standards, meaning it's dust-proof, waterproof, and can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature jet sprays. Interestingly, the Cubot King Kong AX is a variant of the Cubot King Kong 9 but with a 5D 100mAh battery instead of 10600mAh. This adjustment makes the phone more compact, without significantly compromising on battery life, and it supports 33W fast charging. At a price point of around €200 considering its specs, the Cubot King Kong AX offers great value, especially when you compare it to the King Kong 9, which is priced slightly higher. We're eager to see how it positions itself in the market. To wrap up, the Cubot King Kong AX is a rugged beast packed with features that are too practical to overlook. From its high-resolution cameras and smooth display to the massive battery and RAM, it's a device that's hard to beat at this price point. If you're looking for durability without sacrificing performance, this might be the phone for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information, and if you enjoyed this overview, make sure to leave a like and a comment below. Your feedback helps us bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.